Hey guys, so today I've got a 2020 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light or maintenance light after an oil change, or somebody did the oil change, forgot to reset it. So no special tools are needed. First thing we're going to do, start the vehicle. Press the brake pedal, press the start button. You can see it says service required. So we're gonna, on most cars, most Hyundais, you can reset from here. On this one, you gotta reset it from the display over here. So first thing we're gonna do is go on the setup, vehicle, and then over here we're gonna go convenience. Over here you can see service interval, tap on it and reset. All done. You can see it's been reset for 5,000 miles or 365 days, and that's what's been set. You can always change the distance or the duration over here. We don't want to mess with that because that's what the customer set it up to, and you're all set, good to go. You can always confirm by turning the car off, starting it again, and make sure there's no message that shows up on this display. And as long as it doesn't show up, the reset procedure was successful. All right, thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.